deemed feeble-minded, in part because she was an unwed mother and therefore considered promiscuous.
And with Carrie Buck, they planned to take her case as far as they could to codify eugenics into law. So before they sterilized her, they
she fucked y'all up for a while, right? And then I go, you know, what else? And he goes, you know, just, I don't know if you're going to, you know, use this or not. You know, if I were you, I would not say the word, you know, use the term Eskimo. And I go, why? He goes, well, up here, the word Eskimo is like saying English, like it's saying English.
Bro, calm down.
I swear to God, he just wrecked.
Well, what the f?
What a f***ing idiot.
Are you serious? Holy
You f***ing idiot.
phone. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Continue for 8 miles.
What the f?
Overreacting over nothing. I rationalized it was because I was anxious about being in a new place, a whole new city. I chuckled as I stepped into the elevator.
Ain't that something?
I think I'm a prince, I'm feeling myself. I'm loaded with bills, cause I was a blessed with no fulfilled. Don't know how it feels. I wanted to flex, they told me to chill. I'm making a flip. My life is a flip, I'm loaded with film.
Oh shit. They just got hit. Damn.
I wanna get married, but none of maybe I'm just too afraid to settle. I wish I was planning it different. I think it's a phase. I'm very conditioned. I'm stuck in my ways. I'm scared of commitment. I'm very conflicted. I got the drip and I'm saucy. ADHD, I'm a bad boy. I think I might just pull up in a Rari. I might just pull up to Philly. They call me Big Philly. I think I might Larry. Ain't now much you can tell me. I blew for $1 million. Threw me a
Those fucking accidents. Oh man. Shit. No, I'll stay on the sidewalk.
Driving on the dirt so people can't try. Look at that crap. Watch out. Oh, gee whiz. Oh, his tire's flat. He's got a flat tire. He can't stop. Watch out. He's gonna wreck.
My heavens.
He's gonna wreck.
Oh, gee whiz. I wonder if he hit them back
No,
there.
he's gonna wreck into something. His tire's flat.
Call
I don't
911
have my
right now.
phone. I got you.
Oh, my Lord. What the heck is he doing? Oh, my gosh. Watch out, honey. He's gonna hit you. I think they're trying to run from that.
This is a runner.
Just be careful.
Colorado Springs 911. Please don't hang up. We're experiencing heavy call volume.
He's a
Your
runner.
call will be answered by the next available emergency operator.
Oh, I got it on video.
Do you want to be on Dashcam Time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video description. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information about your incident, and then submit. It's really that easy.